Response to cardiac arrest calls and also fire calls lah. So when there's cardiac arrest or anything medical breathing problems, the fire bike will turn up with the Alpha. Alpha is the ambulance lah. So this is our what we call light fire attack vehicles lah at Yishun. There's the Khatib fire post and the Sembawang fire post. So our 3-man crew will be stationed there. So if there's any fire nearby, we will respond first lah. Then followed by the big guys. It's our fire and rescue operation support tender lah. So you can see here, it's our breathing apparatus. We got many of them. Do you know why? This vehicle, when there's fire lights, what we call fire lights is like industrial fire. You can see the thick black smoke, all that. These fires will turn out. So once the firemen run out of their breathing apparatus, they will use a new one, which is here. So this one BA, what we call BA set, can last up to 1 hour only. But it depends on your breathing also. So basically, this type of equipment you can see, it will help with extracting smoke lah. So when you see there's a lot of black smoke and thick doors, I mean the door is closed, we need to use that to ventilate it out. This is our big boss. You know, everywhere there's a boss, right? So this is our boss one. Our boss will really sit here. So we call it our Rota Commander, our sir. So this is the actual pumper fire engine. So it's a big robot. This is our Rota Commander vehicle. So when we turn out, you can see this is what we call locker 1. There's 6 locker, locker 1, 3, 5, and the other one is 2, 4, 6. So this robot you can see sometimes we firefighters, we are also tired. We can get tired easily. So there's a robot, right? We make use of the robot. So this is our buddy. So what it does is that when there's a unit fire, this robot will help lah. So it will help with damping down or extinguish the fire. Once the fire has been extinguished, it will help to cool down. We have our locker 2, 4 and 6. So here is our rescue equipment, followed by the hoses also, and the nozzles. Here we have 13 nozzles. Okay.
Every one of our cases we have drowning. Every time we turn up, we have from 1 minute 45 seconds to drown up.
Minute 45.
And to leave the station within 8 minutes. So we will show you how we drown up for fire cases, for fire moderate. I'll take out my timer just to show you guys how long we take.
Okay, no, this one is first finger. This one. Okay, 2 fingers. Okay. Right. 5, 4, 0. No wrong. This way. Okay. Let go of your left hand. Grab hold of the fist. Hold it tight. Okay. Grip forward.